Moto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for clicking. For the new subscribers, welcome and feel home. For the old, the OG, keep watching and keep sharing my videos. Guys, today's videos is amazing. Look what I have here. Oh my goodness, I have so many clothes over here. I have to declutter my house. It's at the end of the year. Guys, I'm here to encourage you. You know, sometimes we hoard so much. We have so many clothes that we don't need, we don't like, or sometimes they're smaller, they're getting bigger, you lost weight, you're gaining weight, your children have grown, they're getting taller, and you don't need those clothes anymore. And it's at the end of the year. It's time to declutter your home, declutter your kitchen, your closet, everything, your bedrooms. That's exactly what I'm doing right here, because it's the end of the year. I want to get to New Year happy me. Lesser clothes, maybe newer ones, and I just want to get rid something that I don't need. And when we say get rid of these clothes, I don't mean you throw them away in trash. No, 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 no. Donate wherever you are in the world. I know there's a place where you can donate clothes. Here in the US, we have so many places that we can donate this kind of clothes, and there's people who can use them. And this kind of clothes, sometimes they travel all the way international. You never know. So here in the US, we have some stores that we call Goodwill. There are thrifty stores, there are donation centers, charity homes. Everywhere you can go and donate these kind of clothes, so you don't have to throw them in trash. There are people that can use or reuse them, or even within your house. You know, there are people who like this one nowadays. I like your shirt, mine is smaller. Just kind of switch around. Basically, help somebody who needs to be helped. Okay. So today I'm just reminding you, because it's the end of the year, I want you guys to end the year strong. I want you to end the year, your house decluttered, your house a little bit, you know, lesser, but it looks fancier. So your clothes is looking good. The best thing we can do is donate what you don't have. So guys, over here I have put some of them here. I've been doing this, like, this is nighttime, guys. I have to do this. So I have been doing a lot. I put some of the here, and I'm using, guys, these trash bags here. We call them trash bags. So these are the bags that we put trash, but this is the bags that I have, and they can really help me to put this clothes in here. So I'm on my way with the second bag. I already done my first bag over there, the second bag here, and I still have plenty to do. So that's exactly what I'm doing right now. Anything that I don't need, anything my children don't need, they have grown, they are maybe getting taller, I am going to donate everything. And I'm encouraging you guys, in your home, check something in your kitchen that you don't need, go ahead and donate to someone who needs it. Okay, that's exactly what I'm doing this evening. And guys, for those ones who have not, guys, these are nice cute jackets. I know, and I'm sure there's somebody out there who is going to use this jacket, and it's very cold weather right now, December. It's very cold, so there's somebody out there who is actually going to use these clothes. Guys, I have so many clothes, and actually I've not done so much of declutter this year, but I've been doing a couple. But when I went in there, and especially my children clothes, usually I don't go there so much. So when I went there, I'm like, this shirt still exists here, this pants is still here. Some of the clothes we never even removed the tags. Guys, check your clothes and see if you have some clothes that you never even removed a tag. Oh my goodness, there's somebody out there who can use that. So guys, I've been sitting here like for a while, and that's exactly what I'm doing. But guys, you know, it's evening, I have to have a snack. Of course, as you know, I'm sweating sometimes, but I have my coffee here. Today I chose tea leaves, actually, and lemon. What am I eating? So tea leaves and lemon, so sweet. And I put some honey. I love honey. So that's what I'm having this evening, guys, and I'm having my favorite snack. The video, it's coming either tomorrow or the next day of this dish that I cooked here. Guys, make sure your notification bell is on, because this video that I cooked, this authentic githeri, you know, it's a corn and the mixture of beans. So I'm having it this night as a snack. Oh my God. I don't want to talk much about this, but the video is coming out for me showing you everything, how I cooked this authentic wow githeri. If you're from Kenya, you know what I'm talking about. I'm sorry guys, I had to. It's very tempting, you know. You have to eat it because it's just looking at me. It's like I can't talk. I have to eat it. So that's exactly what I'm doing right now. And guys, I encourage you guys, keep sharing the video, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please go ahead and subscribe. We need to hit 5,000. And guys, help me share the videos. Comment below, tell me what I'm doing wrong, what I'm doing right. Ask me a question, guys. I'm here for you. Umoto lifestyle. I know this time I have time for you. I have time for you to vlog for you. So we're gonna do this. A lot of these clothes. I'm starting with my closet and my children's clothes, and then after this, next time I'm gonna go to the kitchen and see the pots that I had, old pots. Maybe I need to buy new pots, and there's some pots that I don't know, I don't need. And of course I'm gonna go to my shoes. Maybe there's shoes that my feet have maybe gotten, especially my kids, you know, their legs, their feet, they really grow faster. So I need to go there and see if there's some clothes that going on. So this is what I'm doing right now before the new year begins, guys. Oh my goodness, the new year is going to begin with the new things. Okay, not really new things, but at least happier me. Not so much depressed with all this clutter house. I'm trying to declutter my house now, so that the new year comes, I'm going to be a happy me. So I'm here to tell you guys, if you're the one out there who you have not started thinking of decluttering your home or donating, go ahead and do that. Okay, it's time for you to donate to somebody who doesn't need it. Okay, and the good thing with here in America, if you donate, there's some stores, if you want to, if you donate some clothes like this, or some items, or something in that, even the beds, or you don't need them, anything, the mattresses, if you don't need them, they give you a receipt. When they give you a receipt, that receipt you can claim when you're filing your taxes. So your donations is really not going to the west, you can get something out of there of your donations at the end of the year. So that is if you really want it. Okay, some people really don't care about it, but that's something that, again, you can just declutter your home, donate it to a center or shop or somewhere, and then they give you a receipt, and at the end of the year you're going to claim that receipt. So this video basically is to encourage each and everyone from around the world, not only in America, my country, or whatever. Anywhere you are in the world, is the season of decluttering your home. Make sure your home looks fancy, beautiful, less, so that when we jump to next year, you can breathe and say, oh, I cleaned my closet. Now maybe you need new clothes, or maybe you need a new bed, maybe you need new shoes. It's time to check into your closets, to check into your kitchens, everywhere in your house, something that's laying there that you're not using. Hey, your neighbor, somebody in there, they need to use it. So guys, thank you so much for being here, and thank you so much for always coming here to spend time with Umoto Lifestyle. I'm really happy to have you here. Let me continue with my decluttering my clothes, and guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.